What's up everybody, welcome to DIY Fix channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an iPhone 6s loudspeaker. When we enjoy ASMR or music, the speaker may play at a very low level, which drives me crazy. If I go to an Apple store, they'll charge me an insane amount of $120, and if I go to a nearby repair shop, they'll still charge me $70, and it may raise privacy concerns. That's why I'm repairing myself. The process goes very smooth, all for $10. You need to buy a replacement 6S speaker, in which I attached the link in the description below. If you chose the same replacement as me, it'll include a magnetic screw mat, a red Phillips screwdriver, a blue star-shaped screwdriver, a black tweezer, a blue spudger, a transparent plastic tray, 2 opening picks, a 6S speaker, and a dust filter. That's all we need for repairing your speaker. Nice! And remember to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, using the blue star-shaped screwdriver, take out the charging port screws, and use the tweezer to snatch them off. Put the screws we snatched off onto a magnetic screw mat which came with the speaker replacement. It can prevent the loss of screws and keep them organized. It's very handy for holding the screws tight. Second, place the phone down and use the suction cup on the bottom of the screen. After creating an opening, insert the white opening pick to slowly slice open the screen from the bottom. Third, we need to unscrew the 2 screws protecting the battery. As always, turn the screws counterclockwise to unscrew, and put the screws and picks on the magnetic screw mat. Then use the blue spudger to disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Fourth, disassemble the metal plate protecting the screen and the phone itself. Use the Phillips screwdriver to take down the 4 screws, then the metal plate. We'll see there's 3 wires connecting the screen and the motherboard. Disconnect the vertical rightmost one, then the horizontal 2 with the spudger. After disconnecting all 3, we can take down the screen. Fifth, take down the 5 screws. The last one requires a lift of a black covering with a tweezer in order to take down the screw. Sixth, after the 5 screws, use the blue spudger to disconnect the bottom wires and the signal wires from the phone. Seventh, pull up the signal wires with your left hand. Separate the black covering from the wires and use the blue spudger to lift up and take off the speaker. Eighth, using the black tweezer on the speaker from out to in, take down the speaker filter and replace it. Ninth, take out the new speaker, stick the signal wires on the new speaker and snap it in, then, using the black tweezer, put in the screws. 10th, pressing the signal wires with the tweezer, stick the speaker into it. 11th, assemble the charging and signal connectors, and screw on the 5 screws. 12th, put the screen on the phone. Put the connectors on the motherboard in the order I'm doing it. "13th, button on the battery connectors and hold the power button until the Apple logo shows up. Plug in your charger if it ran out. After booting up, let's test the charging and speaker capabilities. 14th, if the charger and speaker works well, then put back the metal plate onto the original position. Holding the plate with the thumb, use the black tweezer and the red Phillips screwdriver to screw in the screen and the battery metal plates. Lastly, position the screen's top notch towards the phone and push it forward. Then press the other 3 sides down. Use a blue star-shaped screwdriver to install the screws protecting around the charger port. And we're finished. Let's try how ASMR sounds. Thanks for watching. If it helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheap and easy, protect your privacy. Go to the DIY Fix channel for your phone repairs.